Okay, so what you're going to do when you create a Google Slides, you're going to go right here where it says shared with me, and you are going to find your name. So your name will only be here. You won't see everyone's name. So you need to find your name and you're going to click on it. So what you're going to do is you're going to press this button right here where it says new, and then press right here where it says Google Slides. And then you're going to press OK. And then your slides are going to come up. And on the side, the first thing you're going to do is pick a theme. So you need to go through and pick a theme. I'm going to show you how to pick a theme. So you're just going to click, okay, let's say you want this theme. Okay, so now what you're going to do is to add your title, you're going to go right here. So my title of my product that I'm going to buy is going to be kayaks. So I'm going to write kayak. And then down here is where I'm going to put my name. So Miss Sergi and my number 0. And then to add a new slide, you're going to go up here and this plus button, you're going to press it and your new slide will appear. And you're always going to want to have a title for your slide and then your information. So my title is going to be I think, and then my information, I'm going to say I think a kayak is a great product because it is fun and helps you stay active, period. Now if I look at this is kind of small, so I'm going to double click. Oh, and it didn't highlight all of it, so I'm going to try again. I'm going to double click. So it highlighted all of it. I'm going to go up here to these numbers, press this down button, and I'm going to make the font bigger. So I'm going to try 30, and that looks a lot better. Okay, now I need to add a picture. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go right here where it says image and click. Then I have to go over to search. And right here in this box, you're going to type what you're looking for. So since I'm doing kayaks, I'm going to type in kayak. And then after I type it in, I press this blue button right here where it says search. And then I find the picture that I want. And I think this one looks cool, so I'm going to click it. Notice how it's blue. And I have to press select. Wow, and this picture is really big. So what I have to do is I have to go to the corner, and there's an arrow on both sides of the corner, and I have to drag it so it's smaller. So I'm going to drag, 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 drop. Oh, and that looks good. But now it's still covering my words, as you can see. So I need to move it. So I'm going to go right here. And that looks good. My picture's on my slide and my words. So now that I'm done with this slide, I'm going to go up here, press the plus button, and I'm going to type right here, reason 1. And I need to write my reason 1. A kayak, or I'm going to say kayaking is something you can do with your family, period. Now notice there's a red line under this word. That means I spelled a word incorrectly. So what I need to do is I need to hover my mouse over the word, and I need to click with 2 fingers at the same time. And it will come up here. It says, did you mean? And if I meant something, I need to click it, and it will change it for me. It's not going to change it for you if you're not close. You have to be close to the spelling for it to know how to change it. So we reviewed how to pick a theme. We learned how to add a slide. We learned how to change the font size on your text. We learned how to add a picture and change the size of the picture. And when you're done up here, you probably want a title for it. So I'm going to title mine Kayak. And it will save automatically for you, so you don't need to worry about saving it. Remember, when you do this, just go nice and slow. Take it step by step. If you forget something, go back and watch this video so it will help you. Enjoy your Google Slides.